Hey there, Vesh from Volatility Trading, and in this video, I'm going to explain to you why I am the only 100% transparent trader on YouTube. I'm going to explain to you why others are not, and then I'm going to tell you how you can win 5% of my affiliation money once a month. So I'm going to start this off with how annoyed I am at the current situation on YouTube with the furus, the gurus, whatever you want to call them, and how many different channels are popping up every single day with people that have only been trading for a year tops, a little bit more, and they're deciding that it's okay for them to teach others how to trade when they don't know how to trade themselves, selling courses, selling chat rooms. It's really bothering me because I know for a fact that a lot of these places are not legit. I know that none of them are 100% transparent, and that's what I want to dive into. The 100% transparency comes from a place of why I started my channel in the first place. Even back then, when I first started my channel in 2019, there was not any channels that I knew of that were transparent about everything. And by everything, I mean they all show you what they want to show you. Is it convenient for them to show you their broker statements and trading balances? Then they're going to show it to you because they know that's what's going to sell the most. Are they going to show you how much they're making from those sales of the courses, the chat rooms, etc.? Probably not. Are they going to show you how much they're making on YouTube? Well, there's two reasons why one they may or one why they may not, and we're going to jump into that as well. So I would like to start with the YouTube views. Recently, I live stream pretty much all the time. You guys can come check me out in the mornings. I've noticed that I've been getting some fake live stream viewers. And I know this because the amount of views that I get on a live stream has not went up, but the concurrent viewers have went from, say, the normal 20, 30, 40 that I get every once in a while, sometimes to 130, 150, and it's a sharp incline on the chart. However, the views for the live stream itself do not go anywhere. So I know that these viewers are not real. Where are they coming from? I had no idea, and I was very confused, and I kind of chalked it up to somebody is doing the whole bot thing, and I don't know why or how, etc. So it led me to do research. It's kind of what I do. I love doing research, and it led me to what are called social media panels. Now, these panels, to put it simply, are a way to buy fake stuff, whether it's views, live stream views, likes, comments, you name it, you can buy it. And that kind of blew my mind and opened my mind to a whole new side of things that I didn't even think about. Like I always knew that you could buy followers and stuff like that on Instagram, Twitter, etc. I did not know that it was that easy to buy subscribers, views, and I'm talking thousands and millions. Like if you really want to, it's really not that expensive when you start digging into. There's thousands of places that offer these services, which is really driven, I guess the prices way down. It was like $2 or $3 for like 10,000 views or something like that. That's mind boggling. You can literally just pay $2 to make a video look like it has 10,000 views. Now, why does that matter? Well, it matters because say a new guy or a girl comes onto YouTube and searches futures trader or stock trader or equities trader, or whatever they search to do with trading, and it pops up 3 different videos. My video is, say, the bottom one, has 200 views. Now, they're organic, legit views, but there's only 200 views. Now, there's another video that has 1,000 views, and say they're mixed, 500 real, 500 fake. Now, say there's one with 10,000 views, and they're all fake, but this channel also has, say, 25,000 subscribers. Which video do you think this new person's going to click on? Now, when they click on that video, which is the obvious one, the one with 25,000 subscribers and 10,000 views, because they think that's what everyone's watching. They think that everyone's subscribing to this channel. So the first thing they're going to do is click onto this channel, but yet it's all paid for. Well, guess what? They watch the video and it's half decent, and they're like, "Oh, look, they also sell this course for 500 bucks. I can just do that, and I can get a nice jump start on my trading career." And boom, there you go. That guy just paid for literally everything plus some with just one sale like that. And that is a problem. If it's that easy, that is a huge problem. Now, what this also does on the back end of YouTube, if you ask somebody to show you their YouTube studio and see what their year-to-date gains or overall gains, etc., from the earnings from AdSense on YouTube, then the odds are they're legit and they're growing their channel organically because they're willing to show you that stuff. However, if you run into somebody that you ask that question that has thousands and thousands of views and thousands of subscribers, and they decide to not show you, The reason is probably because that number is going to be a lot lower than you think it is. Now, this also goes for the backend on affiliations. If you ask somebody to show you their affiliation amount that they make and they don't want to show you, it's for two reasons. One, it's either going to be because they just don't want to show you, which is perfectly fine. Or two, it's because it's a lot more than you actually think it is. And they don't want you to know that the bulk of their income that they're making is from affiliations. And the same goes for the trading itself. If somebody doesn't want to show you their trading balance or just the back end of all that, like their broker statements, it's because they don't want you to see it. If they're finding a reason to not show you when it would only take 10, 15 seconds to show you any of this, if you asked me to show you my year to date or any month or anything for my affiliations for any of the places I'm affiliated with, my broker statements for Robinhood, for Apex, for anybody, it would literally take 10, 15 seconds to go to that website, log in, and show you everything. It's that easy. So if they're spending more time trying to find a way to not tell you, it's because they're not actually being transparent, and there's a reason they're not being transparent. It's either because they're not making as much as they want you to think they're making, or they're making a lot more from something that they don't want you to know that they're making from that. And what am I going to do about this? Nothing. I'm going to put the word out there. I'm going to let you guys know that this is happening. Hopefully you guys catch this video before you give any money to somebody that you found randomly online and they're selling a course or a chat room, etc. Are all chat rooms and courses bad? No. There's some out there that are probably worth the money, but with ill intentions. Like they put these courses and chat rooms out there because it's risk-free money to them. They're not a trader first at some point. They become a salesman / marketer first, trader second, because they know that they're making much more money on the back end from whether it be YouTube or affiliations in general. I just want you to know that not all of these places are bad. Not every channel is trying to hide something. All I want you to know is that there isn't any channel out there that's showing you everything. And if they are, let me know who they are because I want to watch them. I want to follow them. I've said that since the beginning. Go watch the intro video on my YouTube page. It literally says that. I want to find these other transparent channels because I want to follow them and their journey, because I want to support people that are doing all of this for the right reasons. And I'm not saying the people that are making a lot of money from affiliations and stuff aren't doing it for the right reasons. All I'm saying is they claim to be transparent. A lot of these places do, but they're not. A lot of them. And I know a couple of them personally that claim to be fully transparent, but in reality, if you try to pry and ask them for information, they're just not going to tell it to you because they don't want you to know how much you're actually making from the affiliations in the back end, YouTube, etc. They don't want you to know that stuff. And if they do show you, it's because they're okay with you knowing. But if they find a reason to not show you, there's a pretty good reason that they don't want to show you. So with that said, I want to let the little guy win a little bit. And that's me. I'm the little guy. Apex, I'm doing decent with. I don't want to give exact numbers, but you're going to be able to figure out the math on your own. I want to give away 5% of my affiliation money that I make every single month to one of you. When I get paid, I actually just got paid today, but it'll probably go through tomorrow. This is January 9th. I want to do a Friday night live stream once a month. And all you have to do is show up to that Friday night live stream. I'm going to take all the money that earned through you guys signing up using my code VOLA, VOLA, on Apex when you sign up. The higher that number is, the higher this giveaway will be. It's going to be 5% once a month, every month on this Friday night live stream that I host. All you have to do is show up, be there. We'll do a giveaway, and it's going to be for 5%. You have a chance to win it. So like this month, it would have been a $20 giveaway. Next month, if you guys use the code MORE, it's limitless. You guys help me by doing something that you're already doing. You're going to use a code to sign up for these accounts. Why not use mine? Why not use the little guy? Help the little guy out a little bit. I'm going to be fully transparent with you about the entire thing. You guys want to see how far we can get this to go? Let's do it. I mean, I'm down for it, obviously, and I'm willing to give back. And if this really starts to take off, maybe we up it to 10%, right? I'm not afraid to give back. I've always been that way. I don't make enough from all of this to give back like I would like to. I really wish that I could, but it's not there yet. But if we can make this happen and we can really get this going, the sky's the limit, right? If you all start using my code, guess what? We'll call it like a little bit of a kickback in the only way that I know that I can. So that's all I got for this video. Hopefully you guys find some value in this. Please share it with others, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. and I will see you around. Peace.